up over 50,000 people. We reached 500,000 last night. We've had all 95 counties here, all 50 states, and 34 different countries. So it's amazing the draw that it has. Something for everybody, all types of entertainment. And our goal is there'll be a time that our entire state can be unified and come together for 10 days of fun. And we brand ourselves as Tennessee's largest outdoor classroom. We've always been an agricultural fair even before we became the state fair. That's what fairs were started for. And we find that people don't know about agriculture, and that's becoming even a stronger need to educate all ages about where our food comes from and all. And so, it is the number one industry in the state, continues to be. So it needs to be our focus.